Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today, we're back working on the Accord engine. We're gonna get the head fully assembled. As you see, the springs and everything's not in it. So we're gonna get this head fully assembled. We're gonna clean these valves up a little better and everything like that. Clean it up as best we can. Get the cam in there, everything. Get it all assembled, ready for the block, and hopefully have a fully assembled engine today. So I'm gonna get to cleaning, get to assembling, and we'll go from there.
Turn the middle, work your way out.
Torque spec. I know we didn't do a lot of talking in this video, I'm sorry, but we busted out this engine. It's pretty much fully assembled. I got the timing cover, the lower timing cover to put on. I haven't put this one on because the old one is spanked, and I got one at the house that's in better shape. I just forgot to bring it out here, so we'll throw that on tomorrow, son, or whenever we get the car back out to us. All we got left is the rear main seal on. We got to get a clutch for it and flywheel for it, and then it should be ready to rock and roll. We got to lap the valve still, but timing belt's on, all the balance stuff's on, new water pump, new oil pump, fully assembled. So, told you Accord content's coming, Accord stuff's happening. The EG will be done soon. We're gonna be working on that F20 swapping that real soon, but engine's done. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button, and always like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Peace.